Hello everyone, this is a quick video on increasing and decreasing by a percentage. I will be showing you two ways on doing this, how to complete this type of question. So first way I'm going to show you is the multiplier way. Multiplier is the something that you multiply the initial amount by. There is a little formula to work this out using the percentage that you have in the question. Here how you do it. So to increase, you will use this little formula over here, 100 plus the percentage given in the question divided by 100. 100 at the top over here and 100 at the top at the bottom, will stay the same for every single question. And this plus sign is very important. For increasing, you have to add the percentage onto this. To decrease, 100 and 100 stay the same, but you are taking away the percentage. So here's an example. Increase $50 by 10%. The multiplier in this case will be, because of 10%, 100 plus 10, which is the percentage, divided by 100, which will give you 1.1. That's your multiplier, and all you have to do is multiply $50 in the question by this 1.1 and your answer would be $55. So to decrease, exactly the same principle. The multiplier in decrease question is, as you can see, the numbers, the initial amount and the percentage stays the same. You are just decreasing it by the percentage. So the multiplier, again, you know how to work this out. 100 minus 10 divided by 100 will give you 0.9. And all you have to do for this question is $50 multiplied by 0.9 will give you the answer of $45.